Greetings, community. Welcome to Free Spirit Friday, where we talk about everything spiritual and the tools that aid in your spiritual well-being so that you can take care of the soul that resides in your physical vehicle. My name is Jamesia, aka James IA, aka your favorite water bearer, Team Aquarius, aka Yaya May. Shout out to my sister. I'm your motivational holistic health coach, and I'm just a vessel to provide you with the necessary tools to make sure that your mind operates in a state of consciousness, your spirit stays lit, and your body is snatched to the gods in every way you wish. Before we bankhead bounce into the video, and yes, I said bankhead bounce, shout out to ATL. Make sure that you like, share, and subscribe by clicking the link below. And if you feeling real spicy like, drop a comment or two. Because what I'm about to give you, I'm about to give you that heat. I'm about to give you some tea. I'm about to give you something you didn't know that you wanted, but it's something that you need. And that is the knowledge from the powers that be. Bars, where is my record deal? Like, where? They playing. They ain't trying to give it to me though. It's okay. So today we're going to talk about affirmations. And I know you're like, Yaya man, I know what affirmations are. And that is awesome. But for those of you who don't know the science behind affirmations, why they are important, and how they can be beneficial to your life, don't worry. Sis got you. And I know you're like, favorite water bearer? Who's sis? Oh, sis? Sis is me. Are you ready? Get excited. Affirmations can be a great way to set the tone for the day. According to thepeacefulrunner.com, affirmations are used to reprogram the subconscious mind to encourage us to believe certain things about ourselves, about the world, and our place within it. I believe it's important to affirm yourself so that you don't seek the approval or validation from others but yourself. You should be your biggest cheerleader. You should be the first person to compliment you for the day. You should be the first person to say I love you for the day, and you should be the first person to validate and approve you for the day so that you don't live and die by the praise from people nor the hateration and holleration in this dancery. Shout out to Mary J. Blige, but I digress. But for real, when we affirm ourselves, we are speaking life into our spirit, we raise our vibrations, we feel empowered to be our true selves and accomplish any and everything we put our minds to. There is power in the tongue, so what you speak can create your reality. According to neuroscience, a part of our brain called the reticular activating system plays an important role in the effectiveness of affirmations. When we listen to or state an affirmation, it sends a message to our reticular activating system, also known as RAS. Your RAS then recognizes it as something important to you, and then your brain looks for opportunities to bring about positive changes or find evidence to support this new belief. According to the psychologist.com, there was a study conducted where the MRI evidence suggested that certain neural pathways are increased when people practice self-affirmation tasks. The results of the studies by Falk and colleagues suggested that when we choose to practice positive affirmations, we are better able to view otherwise threatening information as more self-relevant and valuable. I know you're like, May, you getting real scientific-ish. You getting real scientific-ish. Just tell me what the benefits of affirmations are. I don't know what you talking about, sis. My B, y'all. My B. Science was my jam in school. I love me some science. So let me reel it in. So what are the benefits of affirmations? Affirmations have been shown to decrease deteriorating stress, have led people to increase their physical activity, can help us receive threatening messages with less resistance so you don't pop off on Tyrone, can make us less likely to dismiss harmful health messages by responding to them and taking the necessary steps to do something about it. Also, affirmations have been demonstrated to lower stress and rumination. Hold up. What's rumination? Rumination is when you harbor negative, repetitive thoughts in your mind. Don't worry, sis got you. So if you would like to practice affirmations, Bankhead bounce into the description box below, shout out to ATL, and purchase your 3-day self-care starter kit. In your kit, you will find a recording of affirmations created by yours truly, and that can be practiced and stated every day so that you can practice raising your vibrations. And if you simply just don't feel like it, no worries, I still have love to give. In the description box, you can find a link to a random affirmation recording I found on YouTube, or you can simply do a search for yourself. Don't forget to comment below and let me know how your day went after stating the affirmations from your starter kit or the link listed below. I hope that you have a fantastic Free Spirit Friday and a wonderful weekend. Oh yeah, don't forget to drink your water, mind your business, and eat your fruits and veggie tables. TTYL.